and welcome back to another video here on my channel with me, Stephanie. So today I'm going to be taking off my makeup, guys. Literally, I'm going to be showing you how I take off my makeup and how I prep my skin to go to bed. So pretty much you're going to get unready with me, which today, can we just acknowledge this makeup? It's really euphoria kind of feels, like nothing really on the lids. We barely have eyeshadow on the lids. We literally have like a kind of like half cut crease going on with just highlighter. I hit my brow bone with a little lilac kind of color at my cheekbone. I did these crystals purple with like some, you know, under lashes, some big baddie bee lashes from my girl Jenny 69, as if I know her, but you know, we can dream. I'm dead. But yeah, and then we did some juicy, you know, glossy overlined lips. I am actually living for this makeup. I don't know, it's something different, and I literally just sat down and started creating. Can my dog not? You guys just have those moments where you sit down, play with makeup. Yeah, that was me. So this is what came out, but we're about to show you how I take off all of this. So if you guys want to know my skincare routine, just keep on. Alrighty guys, so it's late at night. It's like, I want to say like almost 1, something like that. So I am ready to take this all off. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm about to look all crazy, but you know when you do makeup and then like it looks so cute, like you really like it, and then you don't want to take it off? Like, yeah, that's literally me right now. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, so first things first, we're gonna rip off the lashes. Y'all know how this feels. This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this. Okay, yeah, I look like this, guys. We love that. I'm just gonna start ripping off my bottom lashes. And same with everything else. So you guys know. Anyways, so now we're gonna go ahead and take off our makeup. Usually I really like to go in with a like makeup dissolving balm. That's my go-to. That's usually what I do. But for today, since I do not have this, I'm gonna go in with my trusty, dusty Bioderma. This is a micellar water, so it's a makeup remover, all that good stuff. And with just a good old-fashioned cotton pads. You guys can find these at literally the 99-cent store, because that's where I got mine. Let's go in. And I actually really like Bioderma. It takes off quite well my makeup. And this is where the transformation happens. This is super duper gentle on your eyes. That's why I really love it, honestly, because I feel like if this gets in your eyes, it's not gonna like hurt, you're not gonna cry or anything, because some things, some makeup removers, if they get in your eye, girl, you'll be going blind. You need one of those fountains that are in like science class with like the eye, what's it called, an eye flusher? There's our makeup. Ew, I'm sorry. So the next thing I'm gonna do is wash my face, and I'm gonna be going in with the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser. This is for all types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. So this is what I use. I actually, if you guys know, and you guys like actually watch my videos, you guys know that I swear by BoxyCharm because of all the skincare they provide. And I honestly feel like most of my skincare is literally from BoxyCharm, guys. So if you guys are not subscribed to BoxyCharm and you're trying to stock up on your skincare, go ahead and subscribe to BoxyCharm, because I got this at BoxyCharm, and I'm gonna show you everything else that I've literally gotten from BoxyCharm. But this is what I'm gonna go in with. So I'm gonna go ahead, cleanse my face, and let me be alrighty, guys. Face is washed, hair is up, and it's skincare time. Now it's time for my third step in my skincare routine, and that is toner. So this is the Elizabeth Arden normal skin refining toner lotion. I love this toner. I actually really stand for it, and I actually get it at Marshall's. If you guys do not know, you can actually really find good stuff at Marshall's, as in skincare and makeup. So that's just, you know, a tip for you guys if you guys don't know. But I actually get this over there. It's about $7.99, and I have used this up before. Like, I've used this whole bottle up before. This is, I think, my third bottle I'm going on, and I really stand for this. I'm literally gonna be taking some cotton squares, y'all know the drill, and I'm gonna tone my face, guys. So I need to make sure everything is off and we're thriving, you know, because your girl can't be breaking out. And there we go, guys. So this is literally what we still had on our skin. Yes, gross. I know, ew. Anyways, so next things next, I'm actually gonna put on some chapstick because I feel like my lips feel really dry after I wash my face. So guys, this is just regular old Vaseline. I feel like nothing works as good as Vaseline. Literally, this just, you know, it's the tried and true. I feel like when I use regular chapsticks or whatever it is, like, I would always feel like my lips were super duper dry, and I do not like that. I feel like everything just dries out your lips. But this right here, guys, it really helps the problem. Now that our skin is nice, you know, fresh, clean, because we know we got all that dirty stuff out of it, we're gonna go ahead and moisturize. So I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This is the Sunday Riley Brightening Water Cream. So this bad boy right here, I actually got in one of my Boxy Luxe box from BoxyCharm. This is a water cream, so it's very, very moisturizing, which I love after going in with like toner and just washing your face gets really dry. So I love this. Now that I have this on my face, I'm gonna go ahead and go into serums, guys. I'm a big serum person. I love serums. I really think it's just, you know, the cherry on top. It really tops it off on your skincare, makes you feel like, you know, refreshed, a new bitch, if you will, you know? So I, of course, got a lot of these on BoxyCharm, but I love them, guys. Real talk, I love them and I stand for them, and I just can't. So these are 3 of my regular face serums that I use. This one right here, this is just the collagen face serum. This is just a regular face serum. Right here, this is also a Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. I love this one, I really do. I can't get enough of it. I literally haven't gotten it that long ago, and look how empty it is. As well as this is the Caprice Quench and Glow Serum. So super good, guys. I actually got these both on BoxyCharm, and I just recently got this one. If you guys watched my last video, I actually got this one on BoxyCharm as well, and this is the Kate Somerville Smooth and Firming Serum, which I'm super excited. I've been trying it out, and so far so good. I'm loving it. But I'm super excited for this one because, you know, it firms and tights. It's never too early to prevent any, you know, stretching of the skin, any sagginess, or any of that. You know, it's never too late to prevent, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a little mixture on my face, actually. So I'm just gonna boom, 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 boom. So this is the Rose Collagen Oil. Since I already used that one for collagen, I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of the Caprice. Boom. And I'm just gonna go a little bit with this one right here, the tightening, the Somerville one. And we're just gonna put this on. I'm gonna put a little bit on my skin, on my neck, because, you know, we gotta treat the neck too, guys. We have to treat it good. So. Alrighty, guys, at this point, you should be feeling very nice and hydrated and just, you know, youthful. So at this point, I'm going to show you guys what I do next. So this, I just got everything from BoxyCharm in this video, I swear. But I actually got this from BoxyCharm, and this is actually a face massager. So I like to just go in and kind of massage all the products into my face and make sure they're really sunken into my skin and, you know, just worked into it. So this really makes, you know, good for some blood stimulation into the face. So, you know, we gotta get that blood flow going. Make sure everything is nice and quenched into my skin. I like to go in with this. Very nice to have, guys. There's also other ones that you've probably seen. They're kind of like rose quartz, and they have different stones to them. So definitely check them out. It's really nice just to have, you know, and do all that. So there's times where I'm just breaking out and I'm not feeling my best and I need a mask. I need some masks. I like to go in with some masks. Ooh. So this one right here, this is actually a superfood veggie mask. I actually stand for this, guys. I love this mask, and this is usually my go-to when it comes to I'm breaking out, my skin isn't feeling as great. I usually always come to this one, and I really, really enjoy it. It's just super organic and just like filled with a lot of like nutrients and, you know, just superfoods like avocado, broccoli seed oil, you know, omega fatties, acid, you know, vitamin C, passion fruit acid, everything, dude. It has everything. I also really like some sleeping masks. So this right here, these are 2 sleeping masks I have. This is a Hydrobiotic recovering sleeping mask from Dr. Brandt. I love this, guys. I am almost done with it. Literally, there's only a little bit left, but I love this, guys. This one as well, it's actually really good, but I do prefer this one just a bit more. But they both do their magic, you know, work it into the skin. They feel great. So I do recommend some masks. This one is another one that I actually really enjoy. This is the Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner from Dr. Brandt. This is also really good mask, guys. Just if, you know, you're a very porous person, like you have really big pores and you have a lot of things in there. This is really good to get that impurity all out of your nose, those like, you know, greases, whatever it is. And another thing, guys, that I really like for pores and like, you know, those pores on your nose, like these are some nose strips. These are actually the guy ones because this is my brother's box and I actually put him onto these, but I don't have any for me right now. But it's the same thing. The guys and the girl ones are literally the same thing. I used one the other day and it was exactly the same thing. But you literally put this on your nose for 10 to 15 minutes. And guys, the satisfaction of literally just letting it dry on your nose and then peeling it off, and you see your pores literally lift from your nose onto this little pore strip, and like you can see the little things like just off of them. It's very satisfying, guys. So definitely you have to try it if you haven't done so. But get these ones. So these are the Biore Charcoal Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. The charcoal ones are the best, I swear. I've tried them all and I really like the charcoal ones. They really just get really in there and just love it. Facial sprays. I love the Mario Badescu facial spray. It's just, you know, just that extra moisture that we just all love. You guys get me? So yes, we love that. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue on. So I'm actually going in with the Hydrobiotic hydrating mask from Dr. Brandt. And after this, I literally just go ahead and go into the Mario Badescu spray. And I don't even mind, I even put it in my hair. Alrighty guys, so that is literally all I do for my skincare routine. So thank you so much, guys, for getting unready with me. I hope you guys learned a little bit something about what I do for my skincare and how I keep it fun and fresh, even though right now I have a couple of breakouts. We'll just ignore that, okay guys? So I have like 3 friends right now. The gang's all here, you know?
all here.
So thank you so much for watching today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this updated skincare routine, or get ready with me, whatever I end up calling it. So thank you so much for joining me on another video, guys. Definitely don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. It will help me out so very much, and I encourage you guys to definitely hit that subscribe button right down there, and also turn on your little notification bells. Thank you so much for watching today, guys, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.